Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, set it up by choosing the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now just click on your screen and tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Following that, use all of those categories at the top and select all of your files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. Then, when you picked all of them, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then tap on Download after Watch Ad. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!